Hello friends, welcome back to another video. In this video guide, I will show you how to fix Call of Duty Modern Warfare 3 game not launching or not opening, stuck on loading screen, not loading error on PC. So let's go through the methods. Well, the very first method is to check system requirements of the game. So after searching for the game on Steam, you just have to go below and here you will find the requirements to play the game on your PC. So make sure your PC have all the specs that are mentioned over here, and after that launch the game and check. If not, next solution is to update your drivers graphics card. So for that, go to the search option, search for device manager. Now here you have to expand display adapter, select your graphics card, right click on it, click on update driver, and then click on search automatically for drivers. So this will check and update your graphics drivers, and after that launch the game and check. NVIDIA and AMD users, just go through the link already provided in the description and you can easily update your graphics card from there. Next method is to set texture quality to high or normal. So when your graphics settings are not properly set up, like texture quality, resolution, anti-aliasing, then it directly impacts the game, and this is where the game can crash or suffer from other issues. So what you have to do is just go to the options, after that go to the game settings, click on graphics, after that go to details and texture, and here you have to set texture resolution to high or normal. After doing this, now try to check if the game is launching or not. If not, next method is to run the game as administrator. So for that, go to Steam, select your game under library section. Here I am showing you an example. Now right click on it, click on manage, now click on browse local files. This will take you to the game folder where your game has been installed. Select the game application, right click on it, click on properties, click on compatibility, and here select run this program as an administrator. Click on apply and OK, and after that launch the game and check if it's working. If this doesn't work, come back again, select disable full screen optimizations, click on apply and OK, and launch the game and check. If this also doesn't resolve, come back again, select run this program in compatibility mode for select Windows 8 or Windows 7. Hit on apply and OK, and after that launch the game and check if it's working now. But if the issue still continues, come back again, uncheck all of these, hit on apply and OK, and move to the next method. Well, the next method is to verify integrity of game files. For that, go to Steam, under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on properties, click on install files, and then click on verify integrity of game files. So this will check and verify the game files. Once you have done this, launch the game and check. Next method is to allow the game through firewall. So for that, go to the search option. Now search for Windows security. After that, here you have to click on firewall network protection, allow an app through firewall, change settings, and from here you have to search for the game, whether it's listed or not. So if you cannot find the game, click on allow another app, click on browse, go to the game folder, select the application, add it to the list over here. After adding it, select the game, make sure both private and public boxes are ticked, and after that click on OK. Finally launch the game and check if you can play it. If not, next is to modify launch option. For that, go to Steam, under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on properties, and under general here you have to type -dx11 and then launch the game and check if it's working. If this doesn't work, come back again, type -dx12 and then try to launch the game and check if it's working now. But if the issue still continues, come back again, remove the launch option and move to the next method. Well, the next method is to close all of your background apps. So for that, go to the search for task manager. Now under background processes tab, you have to check for those apps which are running in the background without any use. You simply have to select all of those, and after that right click on it and click on end task. So this will completely close the app that is running in the background. After that, launch the game and check. Next is to stop overclocking. So you should stop overclocking of CPU and GPU in the background. It improved gaming performance but can keep your game unstable. So it's better to lower back to the default settings and then try if the game is launching or not. Next is to disable NVIDIA VSync for Modern Warfare. So if your graphics cards are of NVIDIA, then here is the settings. What you have to do is just right click on your desktop and after that select NVIDIA control panel as shown in the image. After that, go to 3D settings, click on manage 3D settings, select the program settings tab at your game. After that, move down and select off for vertical sync as shown in the image you can see over here, and after that click on apply. So after doing this, launch the game and then check whether the game is opening or not. If not, next is to disable in-game overlays. So Steam users, just go to Steam, click on Steam option, click on settings, click on in-game, and here enable the Steam overlay while in game option. If it is enabled, you have to click on it to disable it. Once you disable this, launch the game and check. For GeForce Experience, open GeForce Experience, tap on gear icon beside username, click on general and switch off in-game overlay options. For Discord overlay, go to the user settings, game overlay tab, switch off enable in-game overlay options. Next method is to change priority. So for that you have to open Task Manager. So go to the search option over here. Now search for Task Manager. After that, here you have to go to the details tab. So go to the details tab. After that, here you have to search for the game. So after searching for the game, you have to right click on and select priority as high. So after searching for the game over here, just for example, select anyone, and after that right click on it, and in the set priority you have to select high. So after that, launch the game and check if it's working now. If not, next is to run SFC scan. So for that, go to the search option, search for command prompt. After that, here you have to type the command that I have already provided in the description and paste it, and then press enter. So this will scan for any corrupted system files and replace them automatically, and after that try to launch the game and check. Next is to install Visual C++ files. So for that, I have already given this link in the description. You just have to copy and paste it in your browser. Now once the website opens, you have to go below, and from here you have to click on the link to download. This will download Visual C++ files. You have to open it. You will get a repair or install option. So wait for some time. Once you get setup successful message, close this. After that, restart your PC and again log into the game and check if you can play the game. Next is to update Windows. For that, go to the search option. Now search for settings. After that, here you have to click on Windows Update, click on check for updates, and this will check if there is any update available for the game. If yes, update your Windows to the latest version, and after that launch the game and check. Next is to change virtual memory settings. So for that, go to the search option, search for view advanced system settings, click on settings, click on advanced, click on change. After that, select the drive where your game has been installed. After that, select custom size. In the initial size, you have to type 12288, and in the maximum size you have to type 24576. Once you have entered the number, click on set and then click on OK. After that, launch the game and check. Next method is to run the game on dedicated graphics card. So for that, go to the search option, search for graphics settings. Now here you have to add your game to the list. So for that, click on add a desktop app. After that, you have to go to the game folder and select the game application. Once you have done this, now click on the arrow icon, and under GPU preference you have to select high performance. Once you have done this, launch the game and check whether the game is launching or not. If not, then the final solution is to reinstall Call of Duty Modern Warfare 3 game. For that, go to Steam, select your game. Under library section, right click on it, click on manage. Now click on uninstall. Finally click on uninstall options. This will completely remove the game from your PC. After that, restart your PC. Once your system restarts, again launch Steam and reinstall Call of Duty Modern Warfare 3 game, and finally click on the play option to check whether the game is opening or not.